The Quik-Lok attachment system is a versatile outdoor power equipment system, all powered by a single power head. Once installed in the Quik-Lok attachment system, users can easily add a variety of attachments as and when they need them. The M18 fuel power head with Quik-Lok forms the basis of the whole system. It is compatible with all the Milwaukee outdoor power attachments, reaches full speed in under a second, and is equipped with a 2-speed variable speed trigger. It is supplied with an adjustable handle, a strap and a carrying ring to help set up the tool for optimum user comfort and control. So now let's run through the attachments designed for use with the power head base. I quickly added the line trimmer attachment on the base unit. The M18 fuel line trimmer with Quik-Lok has the power to clear thick brush and provides up to 1 hour of runtime per charge with an M18 8A red lithium battery pack. An adjustable 350mm cutting swath maximizes runtime and offers ample power for grass trimming, while a 400mm cutting swath increases productivity and maximizes clearing power with the capacity to trim more grass in a single pass. Now I switched on the second attachment. Optimized for tasks that require longer reach, the M18 Fuel Quik-Lok chainsaw attachment has the power to cut hardwoods, reaches full throttle in under 1 second, and can deliver up to 150 cuts per charge. Capable of delivering up to 4,600 RPM, the chainsaw has a 10-inch 25cm Oregon bar and chain, which delivers smooth and fast cuts with minimal kickback. Additionally, the chainsaw has an automatic oiler for proper chain lubrication, an easy access chain tensioner for quick adjustments, a branch hook for extra cutting leverage and branch removal, and for even more reach, 91cm extension can be added. Now I did another quick and easy change of the attachment to show you the edger attachment. Designed with a 20cm blade and adjustable wheel for optimal control of blade depth and tool angle, the M18 Fuel Quik-Lok edger attachment is ideal for creating a clean line of separation between vegetation and hard surfaces. Running at 3,900 RPM, the edger attachment is built with optimized gearing to help maintain speed during demanding applications without getting bogged down. Let's have a look on the fourth attachment. Designed with an articulating mechanism, the M18 Fuel Quik-Lok outdoor power hedge trimmer attachment allows 270 degrees of rotation for the ability to trim in different orientations. Its 51cm blade trims more material in a single pass, increasing reach and productivity, and it has a cut capacity of 25mm. Additionally, the hedge trimmer includes a tip guard to prevent damage to the blade and surrounding work area. Compatible with a chainsaw and hedge trimmer attachment, the power head extension attachment adds an additional 1 meter reach, making these tools much safer to use without the need for a ladder. To sum up, the ability to switch out multiple attachments based on the user's specific needs will make jobs quicker, easier, and more cost-effective. This is a huge breakthrough for users who are frustrated with petrol solutions or having to invest in multiple battery platforms to use these high voltage options. Thank you very much for listening.